Hey, travel buddies! Welcome back to Explore with Us, your go-to family travel channel. Looking for the perfect carry-on for your next adventure? Want to see what makes this suitcase a game changer? And how you can grab it with an exclusive 15% discount? Then stick around, because today we're unboxing and reviewing the highly rated Level 8 Voyageur Carry-On 20 inches, a suitcase that promises style, space, and smooth travels. We'll show you all the features, how we pack it for a trip, and whether it's really worth the hype. First impressions? Super sleek. We love the unique wide handle design. The wide handle design is a standout feature. It's not just for style. It gives you a much more stable base and maximizes the packing space inside. Seriously, you can feel the difference right away. Inside, it's a minimalist's dream. 2 large compartments, a dry-wet separation pocket, compression straps, and some clever zipper pouches for all your travel essentials. Packing for a 3 to 5 day trip? You're covered. Let's talk about these whisper-quiet 360-degree spinner wheels. They glide so smoothly, it almost feels like the suitcase is floating. Whether you're rushing through a busy airport or gliding through hotel lobbies, movement is effortless. Thousands of travelers agree. It has a 4.9 out of 5-star rating from over 900 verified reviews. People love how it handles international flights, fits easily in overhead bins, and still looks brand new after multiple trips. Let's take a look at how the actual packing goes. I'm getting ready for a 3-day business trip and just packed my essentials. The space inside is more than enough, and the smart compartments make it super easy to keep everything organized and in place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want to see how this suitcase performs on our next trip. So if you're looking for a suitcase that's as stylish as it is functional, the Level 8 Voyageur 20-inch should be at the top of your list. It combines smart design, smooth performance, and high-end materials, all in one carry-on. This suitcase is made with German-made Macrolon polycarbonate, which means it's lightweight but incredibly durable. I've seen people use this on cobblestones, stairs, even in rainy weather, and it holds up like a champ. You have also got a TSA-approved lock for stress-free security checks and an aluminum alloy telescopic handle that feels sturdy and adjusts smoothly to your height. The micro diamond textured shell not only looks premium, it actually resists scratches. Perfect for keeping your suitcase looking sharp, even after rough handling. We chose the twin color design in yellow and black, but it also comes in celadon, navy, our yellow-black, just black and dark olive, so you can choose your best fit. And here's the best part. You get 15% off just for being part of our YouTube family. Use the exclusive link in the description below to grab your Level 8 Voyageur with our subscriber discount. Use our special discount code for your 15% discount. Thanks for watching and happy travels!